So you might be asking right now why I should use Binance directly to Ronin instead of doing the other way, which is MetaMask and Ronin. So the answer is very simple. So we all know how high Ethereum gas fees are, and they take a lot of your SLP or whatever crypto you are using. So to save us from that and get as much profit as we want, we need to use Binance to Ronin. And you will see in the next video I will go through all this stuff and show you the difference between if you are using Ethereum or Binance chain or Ronin wallet directly from Binance, and you'll see the huge difference between the two. So now let's get started. How to create your Binance account to use it with your Ronin wallet. To do so, it's pretty simple. You can find the link in the description. It's a referral link and it will take you to here and sign in here and create your account. It's pretty simple, nothing complicated. Just put in your email, password, and this is my referral ID. And if you don't want that, you can just head to binance.com and create an account without having a referral ID. Then create account. So here we are in the account. So as you can see, when you get into the account, just head over to your account here, and as you can see, you might notice that it's unverified and it might be there to click and verify your account. Just click on it. But what I want to tell you is that for example, US citizens, when you get to Binance.com, it will redirect you to Binance.us, and they heard that their verification is pretty slow. But don't worry about that. I will tell you and show you the verification basics in here. As you can see, here is multiple plans of verification, as for example, basic information and personal information that you entered. You will get verified for crypto deposit as unlimited. Very important. If you are from the US and you don't want to be waiting that much to get verified and stuff, it doesn't really matter, because to verify your account, it only gives you the ability to buy crypto with your credit card and more of this stuff here. But if you want just to use your Ronin wallet or your SLP to deposit in here, you don't need to buy any crypto. You can just use this here as basic. But if you find this limit here is low, you can always verify and get into intermediate. Here are the limits on this intermediate verification. You only need this personal information, of course, and the government issued ID and facial recognition that will happen on your phone. Okay, remember, you really don't need to do this if you don't need to get this price here to be higher. Okay, you can always use this and just by basic verification, like here, you don't need that much and wait for the verification, and you can deposit unlimited crypto. The only thing is this limitation. If you don't mind this, then say in here. As you can see, I said in here and I haven't got into this advanced verification because I really don't need all this stuff in here. So I'm okay with this. So it's okay to choose whatever verification you want. Please make sure to secure your account and use all layers of verification and security, like your phone number, because if you want to withdraw or deposit or do any action on your account, you need to get a code via SMS to verify that you are the one who's using or doing those actions in your account. And let's get back to here and let's go to wallet and go to fiat and spot. Here you will find all your crypto and everything you deposit or you want to withdraw. So go to search and write SLP, and as you can see, there's more information like buying or deposit or withdraw or trade. So as you can see, it's very simple and easy, nothing complicated. And make sure to watch the next video to see this stuff on depth, so I can go and deposit or withdraw from Ronin to Binance and vice versa, or trade and how to sell your SLP. So please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And thank you for watching.